My name is Bill, and I'm the lead software developer for Fungus Games. What I'm going to show you today is a small demo of how resource management in Microcosm works. By the way, if you haven't checked out our website, it's fungusgames.com. If you want more information about what Microcosm is, that's where you should go. There's going to be several other videos with this as well, so you should check out the latest blog post. Anyway, point is, Microcosm is designed to be as moddable as possible. As you'll see here in the binary directory, or the bin directory for Microcosm, there's this file called boot.xml. Look at it. It's the splash screen resources, which I have selected. Now, the search path, the root search path, for all resources relative to the bin, or the executable. And then here we have a resource called mod root, and that is an XML file that contains another resource and modules definition like this. The names are very important, and the mode boot basically means that the resource is loaded when it is read from this file, when the definition is read from this file. So they'll always be available. Let's go back. Asset, mods.xml right there. Let's have a look at it. As you can see, it's just a modules definition. Module called main is defined. And so what it does is it goes into main.mod, once again relative to the file, opens up main.xml, so an XML file of the same name, and .mod is a directory, by the way, nothing special about it. These are just a bunch of resources that are used in our test. You'll notice the mode is asynchronous. That is because well, what it is they'll be loaded in the background because they're non-critical. They aren't scripts or anything like that which need to be absolutely 100% loaded during runtime. They're stuff where you can show a placeholder and the game still works just fine. This really cuts down on load times. In fact, the splash screen displays so quickly you can't even see it right now. And it does appear for a noticeable amount of time if you change these to sync or boot, which both block the main thread when loading. So it does have good. It is definitely very good for that. I do have a demonstration of what it looks like threaded loading that I'm going to append to the end of this video with some video editing software. It's already pre-recorded. I recorded it under Fraps because this video recorder, well, good for screen capture, couldn't quite catch it because it happened so fast. And I've slowed it down for you a little bit so you can actually see it. This is what it's going to look like though. Bam, just like that. Splash screen, resource manager, test, showing all the resources defined in here, main.xml. Right now the test is really primitive. If we leave the resource manager and go to our test program, you'll see here all I'm really doing is loading a bunch of resources. This is my engine. Or a very, very primitive early skeleton thereof. And drawing splash. We were actually a lot farther on this game, but lost a lot of our code, so this is kind of a starting from scratch. One of the things you'll notice about the resource manager is it's very high level, very automated, and always takes the most efficient path. It's completely 100% threaded, and basically our goal is to have zero load time for the player to have to sit through. Anyway, that's all the time I have. Thanks for watching. Check out this.